Hi, everyone. Welcome to Be Different for Success. Today, we'll be talking about life plan. Do you have a life plan? Have you ever thought about how to make a life plan? How would you rate your life? Are you satisfied with the way your life is right now? There are so many varying options on the keys to success in leading a meaningful, happy, and fulfilling life. Working hard, having discipline, and sacrificing are just a few examples. However, I believe that one of the integral factors necessary to be successful at anything is planning. Creating a vision for your life might seem like a frivolous, fantastical waste of time, but it's not. Creating a compelling vision of the life you want is one of the most effective strategies for achieving the life of your dreams. Perhaps the best way to look at the concept of a life vision is as a compass to help guide you to take the best actions and make the right choices that help propel you toward your best life. Have you ever thought about establishing a vision in your life? Did you know that creating a vision for your life is so important? Here are some of the reasons why you need a vision. A vision inspires action. A powerful vision pulls in ideas, people, and other resources. It creates the energy and will to make change happen. It inspires individuals and organizations to commit, to persist, and to give their best. Experts in life success stories support the idea that with a vision in mind, you are more likely to succeed far beyond what you could otherwise achieve without a clear vision. Think of crafting your life vision as mapping a path to your personal and professional dreams. Life satisfaction and personal happiness are within reach. The harsh reality is that if you don't develop your vision, you'll allow other people and circumstances to direct the course of your life. So, how to create your life vision? First, you need to identify what matters in life. Make a list of the categories of things that matter to you. Don't expect a clear and well-defined vision overnight. Envisioning your life and determining the course you will follow requires time and reflection. You need to cultivate your vision and perspective. And you also need to apply logic and planning for the practical application of your life vision. Your best vision blossoms from your dreams, hopes, and aspirations. It will resonate with your values and ideals and will generate energy and enthusiasm to help strengthen your commitment to explore the possibilities of your life. Now ask yourself, what do you want? The question sounds deceptively simple, but it's often the most difficult to answer. Allowing yourself to explore your deepest desires can be very frightening. You may also not think you have the time to consider something as fanciful as what you want out of life, but it's important to remind yourself that a life of fulfillment does not usually happen by chance, but by design. It's helpful to ask some thought-provoking questions to help you discover the possibilities of what you want out of life. Consider every aspect of your life, personal and professional, tangible and intangible. Contemplate all the important areas: family and friends, career and success, health and quality of life, spiritual connection and personal growth. And don't forget about fun and enjoyment. Remember to ask why you want certain things. Think about what you want, not on what you don't want. Permit yourself to dream. Be creative. Consider ideas that you never thought possible. Focus on your wishes, not what others expect of you. Imagine what would your best life look like. Describe in detail what kind of life would truly make you happy to get out of bed in the morning. Allow yourself to dream and create a vivid picture. Be honest and be clear. It's important to be really clear about what you really want in your future. If you can't visualize a picture, focus on how your best life would feel. If you find it difficult to envision your life 20 or 30 years from now, start with 5 years. Even a few years into the future will give you a place to start. What you see may surprise you. Set aside preconceived notions. This is your chance to dream and fantasize. Let me give you some tips to guide you. So you need a clear path for your life. Remember, your purpose must be balanced. A good balance includes spiritual, family, mental, physical, career, social, and fun. Know what you are going to do. Know how you are going to do it and where you are going to do it. The two common characteristics of superachievers are: number 1, they have a relentless commitment to constant learning, and number 2, has detailed and clear goals with a plan of action on how to achieve them. No matter how much passion you have, if you don't have a clear plan of action, you will end up going in circles. After 10 years, you will find yourself right where you started. Here are 4 critical steps and points. Number 1, have a purpose or vision or aim. You can develop a personal mission statement. Assess your current position. Know where you are and the state of your situation. Develop and list the steps or goals that must be taken to reach the vision. Setting goals is not about writing a wish list. Number 2, your plan must be crystal clear. Draw a map of exactly how you are going to get there. Put management and control systems necessary to operationalize your plan, to keep you on track, to measure and monitor performance. Number 3, identify your resource. What resources, finance, networks, friends, skills, mentors, or time does it require? Allocate these to each goal. Most times you have to spend a lot of effort and time developing a skill that will then take you to your final purpose. Go ahead and do it. This is a life purpose. It won't happen in a day. Number 4, do a cost-benefit analysis. As you put up the plan, consistently do a cost-benefit analysis. Choose a route that gives you maximum benefit with minimum effort. But it's rare to find such routes. Some benefits or efforts are short-term, others are long-term. Identify the risks, things to watch out for, and obstacles along the way, and put a plan to deal with them. This is called risk management. In the same way, list the benefits, rewards, and advantages that you will harvest along the way. These are important to motivate you on days when things are not good. Bottom line, when all is said and done, it is time for you to put it all together and start taking action. Create your life plan now. You have everything you need. You will not regret stepping into the journey of chasing your dreams and going after the life you desire. Planning your life gives you control. If you create a plan, then you get to make choices and decisions, rather than leaving things up to chance or, worse yet, letting others make decisions for you. Once you know where you are and where you are going, you are in a position to create an action plan for getting there. It doesn't have to be complicated, but you have to identify the mile markers and waypoints along the journey, and a life plan does that. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please click the thumbs up and write your personal tips in the comments below. Thank you for your support. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.